Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am very happy to have you here. Today's video is cleaning. It's gone back to cleaning. I'm always cleaning, so I thought I would film it. I've needed to do my oven and my washing machine for a couple of weeks now, but I've been busy, lazy, so yeah, I finally got around to it, so I thought I'd film it. I've also filmed me cooking my meals for my lunches in work, because obviously I work in KFC, and if I ate KFC every day I'd be the size of a house. So I make like sandwiches, wraps, pasta, stuff like that, just healthy-ish, but healthier than KFC. Got my tea. I do apologise, I have no idea what's going on with my camera quality today. I don't know whether it's the lighting or what's going on, but we are in autumn now. Finally feels like autumn because it's a little bit chilly. So obviously it's darker outside, and I don't have a ring light. I will be getting a ring light at some point. Also, I'll be getting a new tripod. I think there's a hair in my tea. But all of these things cost money. So for now, I'm using a colander and a lunchbox to stand you up so you can see a little bit better. I managed to use my new, what is it called? Pink stuff scrubber, the electric toothbrush, whatever it is. It's fantastic. I am very impressed. I couldn't get the head off to put the bigger one on, so I've just used the same one, but it's fine. It did the job. Very impressed. So without further ado, let's get into the video, and I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions about anything that I've used or anything, just leave a comment below and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you. So I've got some chicken, some stuff to make a white sauce with, rice, herbs and spices, and I've finally chopped kale and spinach. I don't like either of those, but it's good for you, so I chop them up like herbs and put them in my cooking. So guys, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna be honest with you, I didn't really want to do the oven today. It's literally the worst job you could possibly do, is cleaning the oven. I mean, I even enjoy cleaning the washing machine more than I do cleaning the oven. But it needed to be done. I'm pretty sure my partner dropped some cheese at the bottom of the oven and it burnt. And once you get burnt cheese on the bottom of your oven, it's gonna stink the house out. So it needed to be done. I decided to make myself look a little bit more human today by doing my makeup. Autumn colours. I hope you like it as much as I do. I look dead half the time, as you've probably seen on the videos that I've already filmed. I've just gotten to that age now, I'm 25. I don't feel the need to slap makeup on my face to go outside. Like, this is who I am, this is what I look like. And if you don't like the look of me, don't look at me. So yeah, I look like trash 99% of the time. But today I thought I'd make an effort. It's my day off. Cleaning on my day off. Would you believe it? I even went to get a COVID jab today, which didn't actually happen. I had an appointment at 1:15. Got there for 1:15, waited in the queue, sanitised my hands, put my mask on, got my leaflets, waited in the queue some more, just to be told that I don't qualify for a COVID jab because I'm not a support worker anymore. I do qualify because I have asthma, which is in the vulnerable people category. If I get COVID with asthma, it could be not good. Luckily, I haven't had it yet. I've had 3 COVID jabs and I've not had it once, so that's good. So I'm going to have to make another appointment and try and get that booked. This is after yesterday when I went to the doctor's to be told that my appointment was on Tuesday and not on Wednesday. The lady told me Wednesday the 15th. I put it in my notes as soon as I finished the phone call, but apparently it was Tuesday the 14th. Now I know I can be a bit stupid sometimes, but I'm not that stupid to get Tuesday mixed up with Wednesday and 14 mixed up with 15, but never mind. So I've got to book that again. So I jiggled my whole work week around. I normally have Tuesday as my day off, but I had to have Thursday off for my COVID jab, so I've moved everything around, worked extra days, just for both of my appointments to go out the window. So I'm not a happy bunny today. Anyway, enough with the side rant. I'm going to finish my tea, get into my PJs, and enjoy the rest of my day off by doing absolutely nothing. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.